Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm Muhammad from Muslihi School channel. In this video, I want to talk about Google Drive. What is Google Drive? What features and benefits does Google Drive have? Google Drive is a cloud storage service that deployed by Google. This service allows users to store and share files across devices. Maybe you ask me, what's the cloud storage? Cloud storage is a kind of storage that instead of data being stored on the physical device, such as a hard drive or a storage drive, it's stored on remote servers on the internet. In cloud storage, data is stored and managed by a cloud service provider, such as Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and so on. Google Drive is one of the most popular cloud storage platforms in the world and offers users 15 gigabytes of storage for free. And if you need more storage, you can purchase additional storage. As a user, you can upload your files such as documents, videos, photos, and more. Also, you can access Google Drive from any device with an internet connection. Google Drive also integrates with other Google services such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Be aware, Google Drive has so many features such as file sharing, offline access, and more. Okay, now let me explain about Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides are web-based applications that users with these applications ability to create, edit, and collaborate on several types of documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. And now what's Google Docs? Google Docs, as I said, is a web-based application that users can create and edit documents online. This web-based application is similar to Microsoft Word, including text formatting, inserting tables, images, and other things. One of the main advantages of Google Docs is that multiple users can work on the same documents simultaneously in real time. Yeah, okay, it's cool. Let's go to Google Slides. Google Slides is a web-based presentation tool similar to Microsoft PowerPoint that as a user you can create and edit your presentation online, including text, images, videos, charts, animations, and so on. Just like Google Docs, Google Slides support multiple users to work on presentation together from different locations. And ladies and gentlemen, Google Sheets. Google Sheets is web-based apps similar to Microsoft Excel. This application allows users to create, edit, and analyze spreadsheets online, including features such as formulas, charts, and so on. Multiple users in Google Sheets can work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously.